Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable notifications from Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now, on the bottom right corner of the screen, you're gonna see Me option. Tap on it, then go to Settings from the top right corner of the screen. Now under Settings, you'll see options like Privacy, Block List, Account Management, Device Manager, and finally Notifications. Tap on it, then disable all those options given on your screen. Then you'll successfully disable notifications from Bigo Live. And guys, that's it. That's how you disable notifications from Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.